This is the pilot plant of our food engineering department. Here is the overview of whole of the pilot plant. This is the display board of this lab. In this lab, Dr. Kamlesh Prasad is the lab in charge and the technician is Dr. Om Chand. Now here is the coating machine. This machine is generally used in food and pharmaceutical companies to coat external surface of solid regular sized commodities as a thin film of coating material. This another machine is the tablet making machine, which is a single stroke tablet making machine which is electrically driven to press for the tablets of different diameter. Round shaped tablets are formed in these machines whose number basically depends upon the number of fitted punch. Now here is the steam jacketed kettle. This steam jacketed kettle is double jacketed, which is used to heat the food materials through the pressurized steam which flows in the outer jacket of the kettle. It is basically used to heat liquid food materials and also in the preparation of the concentrated foods. Another machine in this lab is the double seaming machine, which is a part of canning line. This double seaming machine is used to seam the either end of the OTS cans. In this machine, the pressure is generated between the chunk and the roller, which helps in seaming of the can ends. So another part of canning line is this exhaust box. This exhaust box is basically used to heat the food materials. The food materials are heated to the predetermined temperature with the use of the live steam. It helps in expansion of liquids and the removal of surface air from the cans, which helps in creating the vacuum in the liquid food materials or in the liquid food materials that are filled inside the cans. Now here we have another two double jacketed kettles which are used in the canning line to heat the food materials. Steam is provided to these kettles and they help in heating the liquid food materials that are filled inside these kettles. So this is the control panel of this canning line through which whole of the operation of the canning line is operated. Here we have the microfiltration assembly which is used to filter the small sized liquid particles that are present in it. And this is the autoclave and this is the hydraulic press which is used to extract the juice from the fruit by applying the hydraulic pressure from the handle that is provided. And this is another double seamer used for the used for seaming of the cans. Now these both equipments are used for the formation of the can. One is the flanging machine and another one is the can reforming machine. This flanging machine is used to flange the side of the can and the can reforming machine is used to give the round shape to the cans. Here is the granulator, the multi-mill granulator, which is used to granulate the dry and wet materials used in the chemical and the pharmaceutical industry. Now here we have the vacuum filling machine which is used to pack the beverages into the bottles at the pre-specified levels with the help of the vacuum. Here is the homogenizer which is used to homogenize the food materials like beverages, ice creams and another dairy products. It is also used for the making of the emulsions. Here is the pulverizer which is used for grinding the hard and the brittle material to the fibrous material. The fine granulated particles are formed through this machine. Here is the display board. This is the whole of the overview of the pilot plant, which is showing whole of the machines that are present in it. This is another display board of pilot plant, which is showing the lab in charge technician name, major equipments that are present in the pilot plant. Now these another three machines is the planetary mixer, the spray machine and the pulping machine.
इसका नहीं लेना, उसके बाद उसको मेरे को ना करके